Decorating an outdoor dining table can be simple. Create unique tablescapes to coordinate with an amazing overall look to complete your garden table. Use these decor ideas to liven up dinner parties or luncheons for you and your guests. Incorporate garden-themed centerpieces. You have the chance to use your garden as inspiration for finding unique decor ideas for outdoor dining table centerpieces. If you grow fresh flowers such as roses, tulips, or others, you can include these in the decorating arrangement. Besides this, you might have a vase, plant stand, or other object that would make an amazing dining table centerpiece. Keeping the centerpiece simple with natural beauty in mind can make your decor appear effortless and aesthetically pleasing at the same time. If you can't find what you need at home, you can visit an arts and crafts store online or in your area. Being a professional isn't necessary to create an admirable tablescape with your ideas. With a little practice, time, and effort, you can begin to bring out any underlying decorating talents and exceptional ideas you may have. Enhance your decor with color. You can create a beautiful tablescape without adding overly bright colors. In fact, try an all-white theme with white flowers, centerpieces, napkins, chairs, and anything else you may choose. Experiment with other color themes such as all lavender, yellow, or green, among others. Educate yourself about color theory, primary colors, color harmony, secondary colors, and more by using a color wheel. This can help you understand which color combinations to use if you decide to create a colorful theme. You can use color to make the environment romantic, bright, classical, natural, or whatever you like. Upon inspection of your table, if there appears to be an excessive amount of color, you can try taking one or two decor elements out. Try rearranging items until your outdoor dining table fits the ideas in your head. Place sculptural objects strategically. Sculptural objects can create an atmosphere of magnificence for your outdoor dining table decor. You can choose tasteful, classic sculptures on a budget. Make a statement with your decorating ideas by incorporating windmills, garden spheres, weather vanes, or something more artistic into your outdoor decor space. Consider how your sculptures fit in with the overall theme you are trying to convey by thinking strategically. Generate decorating ideas by writing some down with paper and pen. If you love arts and crafts, you might enjoy creating your own unique sculptures. Find a simple tutorial online or take a class if you'd like to immerse yourself in the table decorating experience. When you want to put together a look, you can arrange items, then step back. Ask yourself if all the decor elements are in harmony as a whole. Feel free to add your own decorating ideas to the outdoor garden dining table.